What was your previous job before joining FWD Life Insurance?
Actually, I'm still in that job, so I'm a team leader in the shipping line company.
Dati akong banker as a new account sa isang top 10 bank.
Before, I was an office admin. So, yun, clerical work lang naman. More on. 5 years.
Ang work ko dati, nasa cabling company. So, may mga binibenta kaming yung mga fiber optics cable.
Ano po yung position mo po doon? Ano po
Isa akong sales consultant.
I'm currently St. Peter sales agent.
Naku, madami akong ginawang role. Diyos ko, hindi mo na malaman. Actually, I came from a humble beginning. So, nagsimula akong mag-work 16 years old. So, baka umabot ng ilang oras tong video mo pag kinuwento ko pa, no? Naging service crew ako, breadwinner, nag-call center, nagnegosyo. So, ang dami kong nasubukan, nag-networking din. Pero dito lang sa insurance, nung natagpuan ko tong insurance and tong FWD, dito nagbago yung buhay ko.